Cotoletta alla Palermitana. This is what happened when you bring a Milanese recipe to Sicily. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Everyone knows the cotoletta alla Milanese, beef or veal cutlet, breaded and fried in butter. The cotoletta alla Palermitana is the southern version, not fried, but baked. This is the classic adaptation of a northern recipe to the hotter southern land. The butter disappears and the fresh olive oil takes a stand, and from fried it becomes baked. I can assure you, no flavor is lost. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog on the link above. For the Milanese, veal is often used, but here we use beef for both recipes. The meat is pounded thin, so it cooks fast, not thicker than 1/4 of an inch. Let's start with the Milanese. Pound the beef thin with a meat hammer. Then season it with salt and a little nutmeg. Dip it in beaten egg, then press it into plain breadcrumbs on both sides. Skip the flour. That's the Milan way. In the pan, melt butter with a spoon of olive oil. The oil keeps the butter from burning. If you prefer, clarify the butter first and it will never burn. Fry it on one side until the crust is golden. Then turn it. Now the Palermitana. This time there is no egg and no flour. Slice the beef thin and season it with salt, pepper and olive oil, because oil is what makes the breadcrumbs stick. The breadcrumbs here are seasoned with parmesan, fresh garlic and fresh basil, so the crust is never bland. Press the beef into the crumbs on both sides and lay it on a silicone mat. Bake at 355 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius for 10 minutes. Then turn it and give it 5 more until golden. Here they are together. The Milanese is fried and buttery. The Palermitana is baked and lighter. Both served with a simple salad or some grilled vegetables seasoned with simply salt and olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon. In Italy, we don't reach for ketchup. For a complete meal, serve as a primo piatto a pasta with pesto alla trapanese. And remember, you can prepare them both and freeze them before cooking to have some always available. My mom always did that. For more Italian beef recipe like this one, check out the playlist I've linked for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next culinary adventure. And to serve them with perfectly crispy French fries, here is how to recreate the perfect crunchy fries you get at a restaurant.